Well, it seems that I'm not the only one interested in scale models. We have a giant jumping Texas happy face spider with us this morning, and he is just as curious as he looks. And the reason they call these happy face spiders or smiling spiders, look at them fangs on there. The other thing they're famous for is the turquoise fangs. Let me show you the back of this thing. That's how you can identify it. He's got a happy face on his butt. Looks like a little head back there with his eyes open, his mouth open. But only if he's got his back reared up and he's looking at you. These are harmless, supposedly. And it's funny that he's sitting on a dimension that says 500 because that's just about how big this thing is. It's not very big at all. It's about the size of I guess a quarter if you were to flatten him out. But I have no intention of flattening this guy out. He's just too good looking. They are awesome to have around. Whoop! Yeah, just not crawling up your arm if you're not comfortable with them, and I'm not. He's just as curious as I am. He's looking straight at me. If they jump like the little ones jump, this guy could easily jump square into my head, and at which time you're going to hear me scream and run away, but not interested. So anyway, I thought you might like a look at that. Little happy face spider from Texas right there. And anybody curious as to exactly how big this thing really is, let me stick my hand in there. See what he does. How cool is that? This thing is not afraid at all and would probably crawl up my arm if I let it. I might have to keep this one as a pet. Cool little bug.